how to fix Amazon reviews not showing up. So I'm going to explain why this happens and what you can do. You want to go to Amazon.com, and right here I'm just going to hover over my name and I will click on it. Now you want to scroll down until you see the option here, ordering and shopping preferences, and you want to locate your content. Click on that option, and here you will see all of your reviews. Now, some reasons why you might not see your reviews yet. Usually it takes between 24 hours and 72 hours for your review to be approved. If you resubmit it, then you can trigger spam filters, and that way your review can either not be accepted or it will just be accepted way later. Also make sure your review follows all of the guidelines, so you didn't break any rules, any of Amazon's rules. And the thing which you can do for the technical side is going to be to click on the three dots and then go into settings. Now you just want to search for cache, and you will click on delete browsing data history cookies, and you just want to clear the cache here, so cached images and files. And you will set it for all time, and then you want to click on delete from this device. That is just going to be the technical side. Then you want to refresh the page, see if your review pops up, but if it still doesn't, then it most likely means that it is still under, well, review. And once they review your review, then if it's accepted, it is going to appear in this field or on this page. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.